Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm making the Larimar effect but with a twist. Since I'm making the same effect, I was getting a bit bored. So I thought why not alter the recipe. What I did here is I am usually mixing my white that I normally do with casting craft, and I will link the video above here. So last time I forgot to link and some of you lovely people did share the video. So what I did here is I have added around 6 to 7 drops of casting craft, but because I am going to make it in a bit of pastel shade different other than the white, I was thinking that I need to use some other color and was thinking about shade that will be on the pastel side because it should have a hint of white in it, otherwise the veins will not show. So I'm going towards green. What I'm doing here, in this cup I have around 35 ml of resin, and I am adding this Octopus ink. These are really highly concentrated ink, and I was introduced to these ink by lovely Petra. She used these inks in her flower making and in her beautiful effects that she's creating these days. Amazing. So I did bought these are I did bought these from Amazon. They are a bit on the pricey side, but you know, these are really amazing. I can tell you by the quality and the color, it's highly concentrated, and I am thinking of buying some more, and I will link them. So but just beware, they are expensive. So I'm adding the ink. I want it to be on the darker side, so you can see I'm doing the guessing here. Usually I use the transparent epoxy pigments, but this time I did use this alcohol ink by Octopus. So I think few drops more and I'm done here. And I did take a low viscosity resin. So it's ultra cast by elichem, the resin. So yeah, again few drops. So I think I added around you can say 12 drops. Yeah, 12 to 13 drops. So for this green I am still not loving it, so I'm added here the Ranger's alcohol ink, few drops of it. So I think this is the color. It's looking good now. I really don't want it to be on the darker side, but still green. And few drops more. So at this point it's just a guessing game because I'm just going for a specific shade. So I think it's done now. And for my other color I will be taking red. So I really wanted to go with the colors that complement each other instead of getting any muddy effect. So this is the one I'm using, and I will be adding it slowly to the 25 ml of resin because I really don't want it to get over pigmented here. Because red can easily overtake the color. I don't want this purple to get overtaken. So in total you can see I put 2 drops of red here, and I think it's enough. I don't want that much red. Setting up my mold now. And starting off with, I'm adding the pastel green color first. So I really love the color of this green here. I hope it stays the same, but fingers crossed, let's see. So whenever I did this technique, I always thought I need to use some other color in the base instead of white, but it's still on need to be on the pastel shade side with the white inside. So today is the day and I'm experimenting. So my second color is the purple that I mixed. So I will be adding just simply into the center. So here it goes. And now the red. So far, how the technique goes is that you add these colors and that's it, and you pour the clear resin, but I didn't do that. I wanted to do something different to it, so I used some more resin into a other cup, the cup that I mixed purple in. I poured a little resin in that cup. And this is the mica pigment that I will be using. It's by Pearlex. It's a sort of interference color with the pink and blue. So I really wanted to see what will happen if I do that also. So there is a little bit of purple already in it, and I poured some more resin and added that mica powder. You can use any other color of mica powder you like. I was just going with the color combination here. And pour it straight into the center. So now I'm pouring the rest of the clear resin. And after that, I will be adding some gold foil into the center. And that's it, and I will leave it to cure. So just sharing some of the curing process. First it's turned into like this, and then it turned it to like this, and this was the same day. And now this is the second day and it's all been cured up, and I will be demolding it. So I really love how the back turned out. That hint of that mica that I added, it's looking so amazing from the back. So this effect is really unpredictable, and I never got the same effect that I got my first time. It's always different, but here we go, and I love it. It do get some different effect with the color green on the base. This effect is so fun to make and always get different results, and I love it. And I love how the mica in the center is giving that beautiful look. And let's see how it turned out in the sunlight. So here we go. So definitely those white color didn't turn out to be that green, pastel green, but still it's good. I think it's on the, you can say, beige cream side. I might try any other color next time, and let's see how they turned out. but still it's a beautiful effect, and by experimentation we can improve and get different results every time. But so far it's good and I love it. And thank you so much for your amazing support and amazing feedback. Really motivates me, and I love to create for you and do experimentation. That's it for today. Like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.